Good morning. Today we will see about weather and climate. Weather. You know, you have heard so many times about the weather. The weather of a particular place or which type. You have heard from your parents. Today is a rainy day. Whenever you go outside the home, you must take umbrella or today's sun will be shine very, temperature will be very high, weather is humid, like so on. Sometimes you have also heard from your parents that we are waiting for the particular match to take place, but due to rain that has been interrupted or postponed or delayed. So from the early morning, we come across weather and weather conditions. Weather condition we also call. So even from the morning we see weather what conditions in electronic media, TV news. Today temperature will be this, minimum temperature this one, maximum temperature this one, humidity this one. They will be uh, dry or rainy or partially cloudy, like so on. ठीक है? Wind speed is this one. So what the weather, you can see that this is a table, moderate tables is showing that tells about the maximum minimum temperature, sunset time, sunrise time, moonset time, moonrise times, like so. So what is the weather? What comes under weather? Obviously, what I am calling weather will consist about temperature, maximum, minimum, humidity, um, wind speeds, rainfalls, all will comes under weather. So these are the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. are called the element of weather. So we can say that weather means the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to this temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. So weather tells about the um, conditions, local area condition, local effect conditions of a particular area. ठीक है? Day to day observation. You can also make weather conditions of your locality by plotting a collecting the information. You may take the information and make the tables, 1 week information, date wise, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, humidity, maximum, minimum. You collect from the newspapers or rainfall if it exists. That data gives the weather. Now what about climate? In climate we get the information for a longer period of time, about 2 decades, 3 decades, like so on. So climate is the, you can say that, the average weather patterns taken over the longer period of a time. This is average climate condition for a longer period of time, that tells about the climate of that area. You can make tables by taking the data from the meteorological department and predict what are the climate of that particular area. Here a table showing the two cities, Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir and Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Here in that tables maximum, minimum temperature and rainfall has been taken for each month. Their average values has been taken. On that average value, we can say that there is a difference of the climate of the Jammu Kashmir and Kerala. We see that Kerala is very hot and wet as in comparison to Jammu and Kashmir, which is moderately hot and wet climate. Okay, so we see that how weather and climate are two different things. In brief, we say that weather is a weather is a atmospheric conditions of a particular area on day-to-day observation, while climate is atmospheric conditions over a longer period of times, about 2 or 3 decades. That trends show what will be the their climate of that area. Okay, thanks.